Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Anna, and you guys, I am so excited for today's video. Now I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I actually ended up getting a lot of these items back in October. Yes guys, I ended up getting a lot of this Christmas decor back in October, but let me explain why. So as you can tell from the title of this video, we will be doing another Dollar Tree haul, but this time we are gonna do Christmas decorations. So if you guys have been on my channel for a while, you know back in October I did a Halloween and fall decor haul from Dollar Tree, and I showed you guys how I decorated my cubicle. So I kind of want to go along with the same theme. So I want to show you guys what I ended up getting from Dollar Tree for Christmas decor, and in about 2-3 weeks, you know, the first week of December, I'll take you guys along with me so you guys can see how I decorate my cubicle for Christmas. So the reason why a lot of this stuff was bought in October is because Dollar Tree gets a lot of their decor, Christmas, Halloween, all that super early. I think all the way back in September is when they had all their Halloween stuff, like September, and Halloween's all the way towards the end of October, which is kind of understandable, right? Because October is Halloween month, so it's understandable that they have that in September. But even when they had a Halloween decor, they even had, so not all the aisles yet, but they had one aisle of Christmas decor already in September. Yes guys, all the way in September they already had one aisle of Christmas decor. And now that Halloween has died down, I want to say, I think either the second or third week of October, the majority of the Halloween stuff was gone, and they've already started filling their stuff up with Christmas items. So hence why I got all these in October, because if I waited to like maybe mid-November, the first week of December, to be honest, a lot of the good stuff goes super quick, okay? Because I'm in New York City, and if you guys know, a Dollar Tree in New York City, forget about it. There are a ton of people here, a ton of people that go to Dollar Tree, so all the good stuff will be gone. Yeah, so I wanted to get in there early. I wanted to get really great items, and I'm so excited to share what I got. There's actually a few items that I already noticed because I went back to Dollar Tree. I usually go once a week or every other week. I go to Dollar Tree just to pick up things here and there. You know, Dollar Tree is super convenient, right? Because everything's $1, so you can get like baby wipes, and you can get bowls and cups, and just like all this stuff that you don't need to spend tons of money on from Dollar Tree. So when I did go to Dollar Tree previously this weekend, I noticed that there's some items there that I do not see anymore on the shelf. Now maybe they might restock it again, I don't know. I think it depends on the demand. If they see that a lot of people are buying it, they might restock it. But again, also it's kind of first come first serve. So I'm gonna stop talking, and that's kind of a little bit of a background as to why I got my decorations so early. Okay, so I'm gonna stop talking and let's get into the first item. So this is one item that, believe it or not, I already noticed that they don't have any more of these, like, and that went super quick. So they have a ton of garlands that you can get, right? Because, you know, Christmas garlands, you put them around the Christmas tree, you put them around your door frame, you know, whatever. You can use garland for so many things, and a lot of people buy a ton of garland up. And I would highly recommend to go buy this stuff at Dollar Tree, because first of all, this stuff itself is made cheaply, so it's not something that's gonna last you too long, or if you tape it all over, when you take the tape off, it's gonna take a lot of this off. So, you know, go buy this stuff at Dollar Tree, okay? Don't go to TJ Maxx and Home Goods. And I know a lot of people love that stuff, or, you know, maybe some people don't have Dollar Tree and that's your only option. But at Home Goods and all that stuff, you know, one of these things can run you $5-10, and it's the same exact quality you get at Dollar Tree. But anyways, so let me show you guys. So I ended up getting this garland, but do you guys see it's kind of green, and it has this white at the end to look like snow. I just thought this was so nice. I was thinking maybe putting it around my cube as like a border. Maybe I might even keep one home and put it like around my mirror at home or something, just to make it more decorative. But guys, this one with like the fake snow and everything, I did not see this when I went to Dollar Tree this past weekend. They did not have this anymore. So I'm telling you guys, like, a lot of things get snatched up quick. So they had like regular green ones, they had gold, they had red, they had like snowman ones and things like that. But these ones with like the fake snow on it, gone. Like, I don't see them at Dollar Tree anymore. And as I mentioned, I did get this towards the end of October, and it is what, we're in like the first week of November, and this is gone already. Like, that's insane. But I didn't see any, and I purposely actually looked through it to see if I could find it. I'm telling you guys, I could not find it. It's insane. Like, the stuff goes so quick. And then the next item I also wanted to show, which is another item that went super quick. So as you guys know, for Halloween, I kind of bought some fall Halloween-y kind of, you know, flowers to put in this vase that I have. So I actually ended up going and I wanted to get something along the lines of Christmas. But you guys, when I saw these beautiful like rose quartz flowers, oh, I am a sucker for like gold. And so I ended up getting these pine cones, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but one of them has silver glitter on it. The other one has gold glitter on it. So I got these two, and I'm not gonna lie, I already see these, like there's maybe 2 or 3 left, okay? When I went to get this stuff, there was, I don't know, like 20, 30, 40, maybe even 50 of these, and now I only see 2 or 3 left. So these went super quick. So when I put these all together, the beautiful pine cones and these beautiful rose gold flowers, they just looked so bomb and so nice. But let me tell you guys, these rose quartz ones, why do I say rose quartz? These rose gold ones, sorry, I'm over here thinking about my crystals. These rose gold ones actually already sold out. I do not see any of them. And they have a whole aisle of just Christmas flowers. And when I went, I think they had, again, same thing, maybe 20, 30 of them. Gone, guys, gone. I did not see these beautiful rose gold ones anymore. And these pine cones, as I mentioned, I think there were 2 or 3 left, but not that many. So let me tell you guys, this stuff goes quick. So if you're someone who either you're planning to decorate or you're just planning to get decorations from Dollar Tree, I would highly advise go now, because a lot of the good stuff sells out. Like those 2 items, the garlands and those beautiful rose gold flowers, I do not see anymore. And again, right, they might restock it, but I really doubt it, because I think they have a lot more of just like, you know, green and red items and red flowers. So I don't think they would stock up on these rose gold ones. I mean, I might be wrong. They might. Maybe I'll go to Dollar Tree in a week or so and they might have them again. But when I went, they did not have them. Like, they were all sold out of those items. Okay, and then the next thing I got, which again, not something, I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, but I just saw them and thought they were so cute. So they had these candy canes and in 2 different color options. So they had these colors, red and green, and it has a bow on it. You gotta kind of fix the bow. When you lay it out, it kind of will flatten out, but it has a bow on it. It's green and red, which I thought was so cute. And guys, these are huge. Like, these are big. These are not small. These are really big. These are definitely like the length of my hair, and my hair is pretty long, so these are pretty big. So they had these green and red ones, and they also had these really cute white and red ones. How cute is that? And this is even like really cute just to put in your yard or something like that. I just thought, how cute is this? I don't know what I'm gonna use it for. I don't know what my theme is gonna be. As I did with my Halloween cube, it was just all kind of random. I look at what I have and I just kind of put it together last minute. But when I saw these, I was like, wait, this is actually really cute. And my cube's kind of big, so this actually works out. Bigger pieces would actually just fill up the space more for me. So loved it. When I saw these, I was like, how cute. And they do still have these. I did still notice these. And then with that, I also ended up buying this big random ornament. I don't know, I just liked it. I thought it was so cute. Just like the little snowflake detail and just like the red and green just stood out to me. And I am a sucker for a bow. I love bows. So anything with like bows on it and Christmas is like, yes, I need it in my life. Give it to me. So yeah, I ended up getting this because I just thought it was cute. And it's another big ticket item, like another pretty big piece. And then they had this cute little wreath. Let me show you guys. Then they have this cute little wreath. Again, green and red. We're going with the same theme. Green and red are obviously Christmas colors. So I don't know where I would put this, but I just thought this was cute. Why not? You know, it's $1, whatever. If I use it for my cube, I use it for my cube. If I don't and I take it home, I just put it up somewhere in the house. So I just thought that was really cute. And then, oh, guys, when I saw these, now let me tell you guys, I don't know if they've had these the previous years in Dollar Tree, but this is the first time that I saw these and was able to snag it up. They probably did, but this is probably another item that goes super quick. So they have these icicles, these light up icicles. How cool is this? And it comes 2 in a pack and they're $1, and it comes with batteries right here. I don't know if you guys can tell, and one of the batteries fell out, but it comes with these beautiful light up icicles and batteries, okay? And 2 in a pack for $1. So I ended up getting 4 packs, so I have 8 of these. Again, I don't know what I'm gonna use this for, but I just thought, how cool is that? Like, you don't see anything like electric or electronic kind of in Dollar Tree. At least I never noticed it for Christmas. So when I saw this, I was like, you guys, that is really bomb. Like, that is so cool that they have these. And don't get me wrong, I mean, it is Dollar Tree, so I don't know what the quality is gonna be. And not to say that the quality of Dollar Tree is bad, but these are kind of electronics. I wouldn't really trust electronics from Dollar Tree, that's just me. So I think these probably might go super quick, but that's okay because again, they were only $1, so no big deal. Like, if honestly they're done after a week, 2, whatever, if I do end up decorating my cube, I just might have it on like during the day, so it won't be like 24/7. I'll just have it on during the day and then turn them off at night. But I just thought, how cool is that? I've never seen that before in Dollar Tree, and when I saw these, I snagged this up. I also didn't look to see if they still had them last week. I'm not sure. I don't remember if I did see them or didn't see them, but I know this is probably a ticket item that goes super quick. So I'm so excited I got that. And then I also ended up getting, I usually get this every year, this kind of like fake snow. It has some glitter on it, and it's just like some fake snow that you can decorate, you know, whatever. You can decorate the bottom of your tree, you can decorate your mantle. It is perfect for me to get my cube. Like, see, they have some examples of what you can decorate it with. So I thought this is just great because I have Christmas lights that I put on my cubicle. So this helps to kind of just hide some of the cords and some of the lights, just to tie it up a little bit nicer and stuff. Just to have this like fake glittery snow, I think is just, you know, it's always needed. Just if you're doing any type of Christmas decor or decorating, I think it's never bad to have. And then the next item I ended up getting are these 2 cardboard items. Well, not cardboard. This isn't cardboard. Is this cardboard? What is this considered? Yeah, this is considered cardboard because I just looked at the back. So I ended up getting another like 2 really big ticket items, cardboard items. So this one is just a Santa Claus that says ho ho ho. But how cute is that? I think I do have other Santas that I've gotten from Dollar Tree over the years, but I don't know, I feel like they always come out with such good stuff. And that's what I actually really love about Dollar Tree, is that every year you can find something a little different. Like, they don't put the same items out every single year. They like these candy canes, I never saw those before. That's a first for me. Those rose gold flowers, I don't think I saw those last year, so I think that's a first. So that's what I really love about Dollar Tree, is you're not getting the same exact decor every single year, right? Because that just gets boring and you don't need it, and it's like, whatever, if you buy it one year, you already have it, you don't need to buy it again. But I have noticed that during, I think, when did I can't even remember when our Dollar Tree opened up, but the last 4 years at least, I want to say, they've had different decor items for all the holidays. You can find something new and different. They don't just order the same thing. And then I just ended up getting this elf as well, and it just has kind of like these hanging legs, which I thought is really cute, and it just says Santa's elves see everything. I don't know, just something cute, just something I can put somewhere. I don't know. I might have an elf theme this year, but I don't know. I just really like them, and I thought these were super cute, and that's why I bought them. I didn't necessarily go into Dollar Tree with a theme in mind. I just kind of go in there, browse around, and just kind of go a little bit crazy when it comes to the Christmas stuff, because I just love Christmas decor. So then I also ended up getting these, I also ended up getting these 2 elves as well, and the arms and the legs do pull out. They're here in the back, but I'm not going to pull them out because it's just a mess to put it all back in. But the arms and legs are here, and it's pretty big, and I ended up getting 2 of them, and I just thought this was so cute. I think they also have a lot of really cute things for teachers. So if you're a teacher, I mean, I know things for teachers are getting so hard nowadays, just buying supplies and everything, and maybe some of you guys want to go the extra mile and decorate your classroom. I would highly recommend Dollar Tree. I think they have amazing items, and again, it's only $1, so you're not really breaking the bank by going to other places like Home Goods and TJ Maxx and spending maybe $50, $60 on these things. You know, it's only $1. If you spend $20 and get 20 items, I think that's a pretty good deal. And for people who are even, you know, not even teachers, but just anyone on a tight budget, if you don't have money like that to spend, go to Dollar Tree. Their quality is actually really good, and their decorations are super nice, and I would highly recommend them. And then the next item I got actually the last item I got. So I ended up getting 3 of these little Christmas trees just because, I don't know, they were just so cute and done up. So how cute are these little Christmas trees? I just thought this would be so cute to put like on top of the cubicle, or, you know, just somewhere. Again, I don't know how I'm gonna decorate it all, but I just thought these were so cute, and the fact that they're all decorated and have these little extra items on them, I just thought it was so adorable. I actually might even go back and buy some to put kind of like in my background here for the videos that I do for the Christmas season, just because I thought those were so cute. So I think, yes, I think we hit on everything that I got. Now, I don't promise that I won't get more because, as I mentioned, I absolutely love Christmas. So I honestly wouldn't doubt if I saw new things in Dollar Tree, I probably would be in there snagging them all. But I am excited because we do have Thanksgiving coming up, so I can't forget about that. But there's not really a lot of decor out there for Thanksgiving. Like, you can get pumpkins and you can get some fall decor, but there's not really that much out there, so hence why I'm already on Christmas decor. And again, as I mentioned, you got to get this stuff early before it all sells out. So yeah, I'm really excited for Thanksgiving coming up. Also December, stay tuned. I have so many great video plans for December. I'm going to take you guys out with me in New York City. We're going to go walk 5th Avenue. We're going to go see the Christmas lights. We're going to go to Bryant Park and Rockefeller Center. So stay tuned for that, because I'm going to have all that up for you guys in December, just to show you guys around New York City and how amazing it is during the holidays. And yeah, I just have a lot planned for December, and I'm so excited. And this is kind of getting me really excited doing this haul for you guys, because it's like Christmas is right around the corner. As soon as we know it, it's gonna be here. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, because I have a lot more hauls to come, and stay tuned because December will be everything Christmas. I have some really fun videos planned. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.